Number 5. The Fisca Kids RC Tractor Farm. Playset is a fun and engaging remote-controlled toy designed to give children a realistic farming experience while sparking their imagination and creativity. Built with a sturdy and detailed design, this RC tractor mimics the look and functionality of real farm vehicles, featuring a lifelike body, movable parts, and a detachable trailer for carrying small items, making playtime more interactive and educational. Controlled with an easy-to-use remote, the tractor can move forward, backward, left, and right, giving kids full command over their farming adventures. Its durable wheels and strong traction allow it to drive smoothly over various indoor and outdoor surfaces, adding to its versatility. The realistic lights and sound effects further enhance the playset, making it feel like a true farm machine in action, while the safe, child-friendly materials ensure long-lasting and worry-free fun. This RC farm tractor is not only entertaining, but also helps improve hand-eye coordination, motor skills, and imaginative role play, making it an ideal gift for children who love vehicles, farming, or creative outdoor play. Number 4. The Remote Control Tractor Toy. Kids RC Tractor Set is an exciting and realistic farming playset that brings agricultural adventures to life for children, combining fun, learning, and interactive play. Designed with detailed craftsmanship, this RC tractor closely resembles a real farm vehicle, featuring a strong build, a detachable trailer for hauling small items, and movable parts that make the play experience even more immersive. With its easy-to-use remote control, kids can smoothly drive the tractor forward, backward, and steer it left or right, giving them complete control over their farming tasks. The durable wheels and strong traction allow it to operate effortlessly on different surfaces, whether indoors on smooth floors or outdoors on rougher terrain. And number 3. The Fisca Fendt 933 Vario with Bluetooth. Control is a highly detailed and innovative RC farm tractor that combines realistic design with modern technology to deliver an authentic farming experience for both kids and collectors. Built to replicate the powerful Fendt 933 Vario, this model showcases exceptional craftsmanship with precise details, durable materials, and a robust build that mirrors the strength of its real-life counterpart. Number 2. The Maisto 116 RC New Holland. Tractor is a finely crafted remote-controlled farming vehicle that captures the rugged charm and power of the real New Holland machines in a smaller, kid-friendly format. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this tractor showcases an authentic body style, durable build, and a detachable trailer that lets children transport small items as part of their imaginative farming adventures. Controlled with an easy-to-use remote, it can move forward, backward, and steer left or right with smooth precision, giving kids a sense of control and realism as they play. The sturdy tires and strong traction make it suitable for multiple surfaces, whether it's indoors on smooth floors or outdoors on grass and dirt, allowing for versatile use. Its working headlights and realistic details enhance the play experience. Number 1. The LESU Fendt 1050 is a premium RC farm tractor that stands out with its incredible realism, precision engineering, and powerful performance, making it a top choice for serious hobbyists and collectors who value authenticity. Crafted with a heavy-duty metal chassis and finely detailed bodywork, it mirrors the imposing presence of the real Fendt 1050. From its rugged design to the intricate cabin details that showcase true-to-life craftsmanship, this tractor is equipped with advanced remote control functions that allow smooth forward and backward driving, precise steering, and realistic maneuverability, giving users a professional-grade farming experience in miniature scale. Its robust tires with deep tread patterns provide excellent grip on a wide range of surfaces, from indoor floors to outdoor fields, ensuring stable performance even on uneven terrain. Many models also include functional lights, sound effects,